2027 is definitely a wrap for me.
No, don't say that, brother. Don't say that.
That's what the doctor
No,
said.
fuck the doctor. No,
Alright,
don't
fuck
say
them
that.
niggas.
Because when you say that, you're confirming what the doctor said.
No, that's what they said. I don't
No, fuck them.
But
fuck what they said, brother. You're
guess
gonna live
what?
long.
Guess what?
You're gonna live long to see your children grow up. Yes, nigga. Nobody ever told you this. You're gonna live long to see your children grow up. Have children too. Real shit. Nigga, nah, nigga. Fuck what doctor tell you your time is done. No, fuck that. Nigga. Your neighbor is a doctor. As you're watching this and you think that Rage's days are counted, I'm here to tell you.
It don't matter if my days
No, they're not. They're not. His days are not counted.
But guess what?
More life to the brother.
Man,
listen, your homeboy aggravating, bro. Tell him to get out of the room right now. Like, good grief.
I'm gonna be straight.
More life to the brother.
My kids gonna be straight. If they want to spend all the money, they can spend it. But I did my part here.
That's okay. But we're not gonna spend. You have more life, my brother. You have more life. No, brother.
I shouldn't have went this hard, bro.
You should have. Because if you didn't, who was going to? Who was going to, my
And
brother?
then when it's all done, burn me. Don't bury me.
Oh.
I just wanna fuck all me.
Alright, I think that's copyright. I understand you trying to put your music out, my dog, but yeah, nah.
I gotta do one more checkup tomorrow. My mom, it's serious. I gotta do one more checkup tomorrow. My mama and my daddy coming to pick me up tomorrow. And they're gonna take me to the checkup, but shout out to my mom and daddy, and shout out to Brandy. Shout out to Brandy for looking out for me. She paid my bills for me. For the rest of the year.
Bruh, I'm gonna get into this other video of Ray J speaking, but man, you gotta be careful about the type of people that you hang around, bro. Like, for real, I can already tell that dude behind him got to be on something. There is no way in the world. Like, he is high on something. There is no way in the world a grown man can be that annoying. Bro, shut up. Like, I can't even get 5 words out without you saying something. Look, I appreciate you, trying to give me some words of encouragement, but now is not the time. I'm on live. Let me go ahead and speak my piece or whatever. After I'm done saying whatever it is that I'm saying, then you can butt in. Like, yeah, you got to be careful, man. Some people just aggravate. Let me go ahead and pull up this second part. Hold on. Where am I? All right, here we go.
On like 4 or 5 bottles a day, 10 Addies. Right up on the right side right here. It's like black. It's like done. Niggas bringing me coconut water and telling me I gotta go to Haiti and do some voodoo, which I think I'm going to Haiti, cause I think Haiti and my Haitian niggas they got the cure. So I'm going to Haiti like in like 2 weeks, and I'ma stream it. I'ma do everything, but I fucked up. Like, you know why? Because I thought I was a bigger nigga. Like, I had more weight. I thought I was a big nigga, so I'm like, I can handle all the alcohol, like I handle all the Adderall.
Dang, bro. Dog. So here's the thing, man. When it comes to that type of stuff, again, I don't smoke, I don't drink, never have, never will. That popping pills, anything, man. The only addiction I have had is just eating. Like, you know what I'm saying? I can grow. I'm a country boy, so we like to eat. But like I said from the jump, man, I'm not one of those people that's gonna kick anybody while they're down. But we know Ray J has said some crazy stuff, right? And it's hard to know when he's being serious and when he's not. And I honestly hope and I pray that, I mean, this would be something crazy to joke about, but I just hope that this stuff is not true. Maybe, you know, the doctors don't know what the heck they talking about, or whoever he's going to go see or whatever is, I don't know, man. But you gotta be careful out here. That smoking, that drinking, ain't none of that stuff ever been cool. Like you talking about, you thought you was a bigger, whatever he said. It don't matter how big you are, man. Unhealthy is unhealthy, and you don't need to. Nobody needs to be putting that type of mess in their body. Like your body is your temple, and you should be taking care of that thing. Like, what in the world are we teaching our children? Like the foundations, you know, he was saying, what, you know, the money, y'all can go blow it or whatever. Yo, the best thing you can do for your children, bro, is to live a better life, a healthier life. And it don't matter if you make all the money in the mother loving world. If your health is not where it needs to be, you're not gonna be around to even spend that money. So y'all just got to be careful about what you're doing, man. Again, I hope that this stuff is not true. Hopefully all of this stuff is fake, man. Hopefully Ray J is, you know, good, and this is just a little wake-up call for him. Like, bro, start living healthier. You want to do your coconut waters, or you want to do water, start exercising, start working out. And most importantly, get people around you that actually care about you, that's going to hold you accountable. Going to tell you, stay away from that partying, that drinking, that smoking. None of that stuff is going to help benefit you in the long run. But, you know, unfortunately, this is what a lot of people rap about, sing about, and they fall victim to this type of mentality, thinking that this stuff is cool. We got to stop sometime, man. But y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments about this, man? Do y'all think that this is true? Do y'all think that, I don't know, maybe Ray J is not telling the truth? Let me know. All right?
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa. Too bad was, you know they roll.